I've been doing preservation rhinoplasty for the last 3 to 4 years, and I have followed my patients. What I realized was preservation rhinoplasty results are more natural and better than structural rhinoplasty. And first I started with preservation 4 years before. I did couple of cases and then I moved on to structure. And when I found that the preservation I did 4 years before, the results were longer lasting, better, more predictable. Whatever was done at that time, it stays for longer period of time and it looked more natural. That was the best part about the preservation. So I decided that all those noses that require preservation, that will be my first choice now. So you can see the on-table result. The nose looks pretty good as compared to what it was. She had an over-projected nose and she had a desire to have a nice cute nose.
For more information, call on these numbers. Our managers would be happy to assist you. And if you want to know about the prices, please visit our website, our Insta page, and check the results of our patients.